Meaning of hock.
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 Hock. The word hock has multiple meanings depending on the context it is used in. As a noun, it can refer to the joint in a quadruped's hind leg, specifically where the tarsal and metatarsal bones meet. It can also be used to describe a wine from the Rhine region of Germany. In addition, as a verb, it can mean to pawn or sell something, often implying the need for quick cash. Overall, the term hock can refer to a specific joint in animal anatomy, a type of wine, or a financial transaction involving the sale or pawn of goods.